Okay, ragazzi, so today we're going to be learning how to answer a few questions about our family using our family vocabulary that we've learned before. So if you look on your reference sheet, you're going to fill in everything that's black on here is what you have on your paper, and then whatever comes up on the screen is what you will be writing, and that will be in red. Okay, so the first question on the top. Com'è la tua famiglia? Repeat. Com'è la tua famiglia? That means, how is your family? And that question is asking, how is your family, meaning describe them. Not so much how are they doing, but more so describing them. How is your family? And I give you a few words here. So to start off that answer to that question, you're going to write la mia famiglia è. Everyone repeat, la mia famiglia è. And then our first word is grande. Repeat, grande. That is big. The next word, piccola. Repeat, piccola. That's small. Our next word is pazza. Pazza is crazy. Buffa. The next word here, everyone repeat, buffa is funny. The next word is atletica. Repeat, atletica. It's athletic. Now, as you can see here, piccola, pazza, buffa, atletica, it ends in an A because la familia ends in an A. Remember, we have to have that agreement. Okay, next question. Quante persone ci sono nella tua famiglia? Quante, repeat, quante persone ci sono nella tua famiglia? That means, how many people are in your family? And then my answer for that is going to be ci sono, the number of people, persone. Ci sono, the number, and then persone, which means there are the number of people in my family. Okay, so usually with this answer, your answer is never really going to change. So you can think of your number and use that number for every one. Okay. Number 3. Come si chiamano I tuoi genitori? Repeat. Come si chiamano I tuoi genitori? That means, what are your parents' names? What are they called? Okay, and then I'll put these answers up here. You already know these words. You know genitori, you know padre, you know madre, you know madrina, and you know padrino. Okay, si chiamano is if it's more than one person, and si chiama is if it's just one person. Okay, so you can write all these down. And also here we have la mia madrina and then we have mia madre. So the rule for putting la or il before the word mia or mio is pretty simple. If you have a blood relationship with that person, you are not putting la or il. If you are not related to them through blood, through a bloodline, you're going to use la or il. Okay, if it's plural, no matter if you have a blood relation or not, you're going to use that. It's I mie. Okay, so mio padre, you have a blood relation with your father. Il mio padrino, you do not have a blood relation with your stepdad. So that's why those two are different. Okay, number 4. Quanti fratelli hai tu? Repeat. Quanti fratelli hai tu? How many siblings do you have? Fratelli, it does mean brothers, but in Italian, when you talk about brothers and sisters, we're going to go with the masculine word. We're going to go with the masculine word. Okay. Io ho, you already know what that means. I have. Figlio unico, figlia unica, you guys already also know what that is. What that means, I am the only child. If you're a boy, you're going to use figlio. If you're the only child and you're a girl, you're going to use the word figlia. And if you skip any, if you aren't able to write these down, leave it blank and just move on to the next one and you can get it after. Okay, number 5. Chi, this word right here means chi. Chi è il maggiore or chi è la maggiore, which means who is the oldest. So let's repeat. Chi è il maggiore? Chi è la maggiore? It means who is the oldest. Okay, so we have il maggiore è. È we already know is. So this is saying the oldest is. The oldest is, and the difference between il and la, if you're a male or you're talking about a male, you're using il. If you're talking about a female, you're using a. I'm sorry, if you're talking about a female, you're using la. And if you're talking about yourself, you say I am. You are the oldest. So I am io sono. We already know that one too. Okay, and then the next one, number 6. Chi è il minore? Chi è la minore? So let's repeat. Chi è il minore? Chi è la minore? Which asking who is the youngest. Now, before we were talking about the oldest, now we're talking about the youngest. And the same answers for here. Il minore, if you're talking about it, the youngest person who is a male. Even if you are a female, but you're talking about a male, you're going to use il. Same thing, if you are a male and you're talking about a female, you're going to use la. And if you're talking about yourself, you're going to use io sono, and then choose. If you're a girl, you're going to use la. If you're a boy, you're going to use il. Number 7. Come tua madre? Let's repeat. Come tua madre means how is your mom? Now, we don't have la tua, we only have tua because between that person and the mom, or you and your mom, there's a blood relationship, so we don't need la. And this question is asking come is means is, she is, description, meaning physically, personality, what does she look like? And then your answer is going to be mia madre which means my mother is. Okay, and here you're going to put an adjective, è buffa, è pazza, è atletica. And we are going to be learning more adjectives tomorrow, actually, which you will be able to insert there. And also you can change this, come tuo padre, come tua sorella. Okay, so that's the format of how you're going to talk about somebody. The person and then e. Okay. Number 8. Chi è il tuo parente favorito? Let's repeat. Chi è il tuo parente favorito? Who is your favorite family member? We know parente is family member. Favorito looks like favorite, so it means favorite. And your answer is going to be il mio parente favorito è. You already know e means is, so we're saying my favorite family member is. And we have il here because we're saying family member. You could be saying madrina, padrino, fratellastri. You could be saying somebody who isn't a blood relative. So to be, because we don't know, that's when we use il. The next question, number 9, the last one. Quanti anni hanno tuo nonni? Repeat. Quanti anni hanno tuoi nonni? How old are your grandparents? You kind of know this question, quanti anni hai, which means how old are you? So now I'm changing I to anno. Anno means they have. Okay, so we've learned before that this question really is asking how many years do you have? Now we're asking how many years do they have, your grandparents? Okay, and here mia nonna, this is your answer. Mia nonna ha blank anni, and we'll learn how to say this a larger number, larger than 31 that we've learned so far. Mia nonna ha blank anni. Mio nonno ha blank anni. So you're just changing mia and mio because of nonna and nonno. You're not putting la or il. Why? Because they are a blood relative to you.